In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Proxy on Telegram desktop. If you are trying to improve privacy or keep Telegram reachable on a restricted network, setting up a proxy can help. Before we start, make sure you have your proxy details ready from a trusted source, such as the server address, port, and, if needed, a username and password. Keep them handy and enter them exactly as provided to avoid connection issues. Begin by opening Telegram on your computer. Look to the top left corner and click the three-line menu icon. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This is where Telegram groups all of its preferences and connection controls. If your app window is small, you might need to scroll a bit within Settings. But everything we need is in there. Next, open the Advanced section inside Settings. In Advanced, find and click Connection Type. This is the panel that controls how Telegram connects to the internet. You'll see options for default connections and custom setups. Choose Use Custom Proxy. When you do, you'll be asked to pick a protocol. Telegram supports two, SOCKS 5 and MT Proto. SOCKS 5 is a widely used general-purpose proxy protocol and works with many providers. MT Proto is Telegram's own protocol, designed specifically for Telegram traffic and sometimes more resilient on certain networks. If your provider tells you which to use, follow that. If not, start with the one your proxy service supports or recommends. Now, enter your proxy details. Type the server IP address or hostname exactly, paying attention to punctuation and characters. Enter the port number your provider gave you. This must be a number, and it must match exactly. If your proxy requires authentication, fill in the username and password fields. If it doesn't, leave those blank. Double-check everything before moving on. Small typos are the most common reason connections fail. It can help to copy and paste from a secure note to reduce mistakes. When everything is filled in, click Save to connect. Telegram will try to reach the server using the information you entered. If it connects successfully, you can continue using Telegram as normal. Now route it through your proxy. If it doesn't connect, reopen the connection type panel, verify the server, port, and credentials, and make sure you chose the correct protocol for your proxy. Also confirm your internet connection is working outside Telegram. That's it. Thanks for watching.